Hi buddies, I Anila welcome you to Tyro's buddy Anila. Today I'm going to show you an easily available and cost effective face pack, that is Banjara's Multani Mitti and Orange face pack. This is 100% natural. This costs 50 rupees and inside it again packed in sachets. I got 5 sachets inside it. Now let's see how to use it. Take a bowl, add required amount of product in it. You can mix with rose water or plain water. Here I am using rose water. Mix it into fine paste. Add more water if you need. Apply this mixture in your face and neck and leave it for 15 minutes. And remember, you have to apply it from downwards to up. It makes your skin feel fresh and it removes all dirt and impurities. Leave it for 15 minutes. After it's completely dry, rinse it with cold water. After washing your face, you can feel the difference. This face pack will really help you in the summer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.